This is not your average grilled cheese and tomato soup. It's creamy, cheesy, and perfect for meal prep. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So to start off, you're going to grab a large pot to make your soup in. And you're going to drizzle in some olive oil or avocado oil. Make sure it coats the bottom of the pan. And then you're going to add in 2 medium-sized yellow onions and 6 to 7 cloves of garlic that was minced. And then you're just going to start sauteing those until they become golden and translucent. And then you're going to add in about 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. And now you're just going to stir up your tomato paste onion mixture until the tomato paste achieves like a brick color. Next up, you're going to add in 2 28-ounce cans of whole peeled tomatoes. And next, add in 2.5 cups of chicken stock and about 2 tablespoons of sugar. And last but not least, 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon. And for our final step, we're going to mix everything together and let that sit until it boils. Change your heat to medium-low, add on a lid, and let it simmer for about 20 to 25 minutes. So to make your grilled cheese, you're going to grab 2 slices of your favorite bread. I used sourdough for mine. And spread some mayonnaise on both of the slices. And then flip your bread around and add on cheddar and mozzarella that was grated. And then add on your top slice. And I like to smash it. I have like this panini press thingy, but you can use a plate or a pot, whatever you have that you can smash the grilled cheese with. Grab a large pan and add some butter. We don't need a lot because we already have mayonnaise. Once that's melted, add on your grilled cheese and put on your panini press or a plate or a pot or whatever you have that can smash your grilled cheese. And what that does is that it ensures you have a great crust on your grilled cheese. When you flip your grilled cheese over, it should have a nice golden brown crust. Once your grilled cheese has a nice golden brown crust, you're just gonna grab a plate and set it aside. After it's been about 15 to 20 minutes, you're gonna add in some chopped basil, mix it around, and cook it for another 5 minutes. After 5 minutes has passed, you're gonna preferably take your pot to a kitchen sink just to make sure you don't splatter everything around. And you're gonna grab an emergent blender. I like a chunky tomato soup. If you do not like chunky, then you can use a blender. But if you're gonna use an emergent blender, just do it on low speed and spin it around for about 20 to 30 seconds. After you blended your soup, take it back to your stove. Now add in a splash of heavy whipping cream and stir it around. Now look at this tomato soup. It has a deep orange color, it's creamy, chunky, and when you taste it, it's savory, tangy, and has a strong basil flavor. Your grilled cheese should have achieved a crispy exterior and a cheesy inside. So now, let's get on to the taste test. This is the easiest tomato soup to make. This soup is super creamy, super delicious, and super flavorful. And the grilled cheese adds a great component to the dish. I hope you try this out. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye-bye.